I want to show you how is this chemical is used to attract bees in a new hive. Here it is our new hive, and this is the bee wax. We fold it in a pot like this. We make a pot. Like this one. Then we place it in our new hive. Wait on our and this is honey. So we put it into that pot like this. Just little. So after that, it means that this will attract bees from very far. And the tip that we have to know is that do not apply it to the wood. That is why we place in a pot. This pot will not the other insect will not enter it. Also, we take this chemical and we apply it. This is beeswax. We apply it in this frame like this, and this is frame.